Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in and Find My is enabled on the iPhone. This is what permits remote location attempts. Once done, charge the device if possible and note the last visible Wi-Fi or cellular location because airplane mode can still leave a last known point. Now sign into iCloud. Calm or open Find My on another Apple device so you can begin recovery steps immediately. This prepares both remote actions and notifications. You now use Find My's full toolset. Sign in, select the iPhone, and choose Play Sound. This helps if the phone briefly connects or is nearby. Next, enable Notify when found. This cues an alert the moment the device exits airplane mode or reconnects. Then mark as lost to lock the phone and display your contact info. This prevents misuse and increases chance of return. These steps work because Apple stores the device state and will apply your commands when connectivity resumes. To finish, use the last known location and recent timestamps to narrow your search area. Check nearby Wi-Fi networks and timeline clues. If the location suggests a public place, go there with someone and notify staff or authorities rather than confronting strangers. If recovery fails, erase the phone remotely to protect data and immediately change your Apple ID password and any key accounts. Troubleshooting tip: if Find My never shows activity, double-check that the device was signed into iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.